Hey, it is Friday, May 13th, and back at it again. Um, Already this morning, you can see that stump there. I'll clean that up a bit. That was a very large shady tree. Knocked that down this morning. Used the trunk for some type of edging there. And should be ready today. We're going to go get some compost and some perlite and some other stuff, and we're going to till it into the garden, and then we're going to start planting potatoes. Yep. And I'm thinking about investing in a wood chipper. I will show you why here in a second. This is what came off of that tree. So that's a lot of free mulch there. So I don't know if those $200 electric wood chippers are worth anything or not, but I'm thinking about maybe trying one out and mulching all that down, all that stuff, so weeds don't start growing up in here again. Get that all mulched out. So that's what I got going on for today, and post an update after we get this thing tilled in and potatoes planted. And I'm not going to bomb your notifications with a bunch of garden videos this weekend, I promise. Maybe. Later.